As estheticians, one of the best ways we can stand out in a competitive beauty industry isn't just by delivering great skincare treatments. It's by creating a luxury client experience from start to finish. And that includes what happens after the treatment. Today, I want to show you exactly how to create professional dermaplaning aftercare guides for your clients so you can boost client trust, increase rebookings, and present yourself as an expert in your field. And if you're busy, like most estheticians I know, I'll show you an easy, done-it-for-you solution that will save you time and instantly elevate your brand. Let's get into it. Dermaplaning is one of the top requested skincare treatments right now, and for good reason. Clients love that smooth, glowing, makeup-ready skin they leave with. But what happens after they leave your treatment room determines how long those results last and whether or not they book with you again. If your clients don't follow proper dermaplaning aftercare instructions, they risk irritation, breakouts, sensitivity, or even damaging their skin barrier. That's why your role as an esthetician doesn't end at the treatment table. It continues with education and clear aftercare instructions. When creating a dermaplaning aftercare guide, I like to break it into 3 simple sections. Section 1, what to avoid after dermaplaning. This is critical for preventing irritation. Be clear about what clients should not do for the next 24 to 48 hours. Examples include not exfoliating, no acids, retinol, or scrubs. Avoiding direct sun exposure or tanning beds, no saunas, hot showers, or steam rooms, and avoid heavy makeup or any products with fragrance. Section 2, what to use after dermaplaning. This is where you guide them on the right products to use for hydration and protection. Recommend gentle cleansers, calming serums, nourishing moisturizers, and most importantly, sunscreen every single day. This is also a great opportunity for retail recommendations if you carry skincare products. Section 3, additional skincare tips. Personalize their instructions based on their skin type. For example, sensitive skin clients may need extra barrier repair products, or acne-prone clients may benefit from oil-free hydration. Dry skin clients might love a hydrating mask 48 hours later. The more specific you are, the more they'll trust you. Now here's where most estheticians miss a huge opportunity. Verbal instructions are helpful, but written aftercare is what creates a long-lasting impression. Think about it. After a relaxing treatment, clients are in a calm, relaxed state. They might not retain everything you say. Giving them a beautiful, easy-to-read aftercare card ensures that they have clear instructions to refer back to at home. This shows you that you care. This shows your clients that you care about their results, and it positions you as a skincare expert who goes the extra mile. Now, if you don't have time to create a dermaplaning aftercare guide from scratch, or if graphic design isn't your thing, I've got a resource you're going to love. At Advanced Aesthetic Training, we created a done-it-for-you dermaplaning aftercare card. It's a professional resource that estheticians can use immediately in their business. I have included a link to purchase the aftercare cards in the description box. These are beautifully designed cards that outline all of the key aftercare steps your clients need to know. They come in 3 convenient sizes, 3 by 5 inches, which is perfect to slip into client bags, 4 by 6 inches, which is great for consultation areas or client folders, and 5 by 7 inches, which are ideal for display in your treatment room or on your counter. These cards make your business look more polished, save you time, and provide an elevated client experience that helps you stand out in your local market. Plus, when your client gets home, having this card serves as a reminder of your expertise and care. This small touch creates a big impact on client retention and rebooking. To sum it up, a dermaplaning aftercare guide is much more than just instructions. It's a reflection of your brand, your professionalism, and your commitment to client care. Providing this extra layer of education builds loyalty, protects their results, and makes your clients feel cared for long after their appointment. If you're ready to upgrade your client experience and save time, head to estheticiantraining.biz and check out our dermaplaning aftercare cards. I'll leave the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more esthetician business tips and resources to help you grow a successful skincare practice.